still out on the prowl, actually not even looking for this, but we're down 157, 156. Highway 156 on the way to Justin, Texas. And we got a 2-for-1. We have 2 different facilities here emitting emissions right on the road. Now what's interesting is, from where the other location that we were just at is less than 10 miles. We're less than 10 miles away, or we're maybe about 10 miles away from the Cummings well, which is known as the Williams facility off Red Rock Lane in Flower Mound, Texas. And now we're just over on the other side of the freeway of Highway 35 to the west now, and we're running into even more emissions over here. So this is just north of Fort Worth, Texas, and again, we're still in a non-attainment area, and we have pretty much the same situation on both of these. We've got well completions going on. You want me to roll up? Roll so you can see it better? Yes. Okay. We've got well completions going on at both of these facilities, and we just have rolling emissions.